Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Mirae Asset Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on NTPC Ltd. Our analyst has a buy rating on the stock with an unchanged price target of Rs 460. Company aims to increase its capacity from 76 gigawatts currently to 130 gigawatts in FY32. Also, the IPO of the renewable business will unlock value. Next, we have an update on Saregama India Ltd. Our analyst maintains positive view on Saregama with a price target of Rs 640. Saregama is on track to meet its guidance of 30% revenue increase in FY25, aided by robust Q2 performance and with expectation of strong Q3, driven by bump up from Diljit Dosanjh Dil Luminati Tour 2024. The company's unique position as the only player combining both music and live events give it a distinct advantage for significant future growth. At current market price, the stock trades at 53.7 times FY25, 43 times FY26 and 34.4 times FY27 estimated EPS.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.